My name is Ben Connor. I'm a foreman here at Dalinghaus Construction. We are in the lovely city of Laguna Niguel today. We are doing some crack repair. So this home is experiencing some settlement cracking due to the tree roots that were outside. As you see, the floor, we're pretty much at this point, we just started chasing the cracks. I went through with my peel and kind of highlighted the cracks so that we could see everything so that nothing is missed in the process. And with that being said, we will be using some carbon fiber staples to strengthen the bond between the cracks and the concrete. So essentially, with anything to do with foundation repair in your home, when you have cracks will tell the story. And with these particular cracks, the story that's being told is that there's been some pressures that have been uneven, pushing against the bottom of the slab and possibly the footings. And in this particular case, it was due to the tree roots that were outside that had been removed. A lot of times your tree roots follow not only your slab, but also your footings as well. So if you're experiencing cracks, such as cracks that are in the slabs, which may not always be easy to see, you may see them because a lot of time your slab is covered, whether it be carpet, whether it be tile. And if you start seeing some abnormal appearances in your tile, it could be an indication that there's something going on with the slab. So as I previously mentioned, it's not always easy to see cracks that are in the flooring or in the slab. However, in this situation, the flooring did have some cracks and some issues, so the flooring was to be replaced. And unfortunately, when the flooring people had come out and they removed the initial flooring, they discovered the cracks in the concrete, and at that point they pretty much were not able to proceed due to the cracks, and unless they were actually treated by a foundation specialist company. So it can be super common to have vegetation such as trees, such as bushes and stuff. A lot of times everybody wants their yard and their home to be flourished with beautiful greenery and everything. However, a lot of times water is the enemy. And so with that being said, a lot of times tree roots can grow, and they like the cool, moist areas, which is a lot of times with the bottom of the slabs, the bottoms of the footings, what they provide. And with that being provided, it gives them life, and it gives them a chance and a possibility to grow bigger, which can also fracture foundations. It can fracture slabs. That's why we provide free inspections with our salesmen. If you have or are experiencing any issues that may be of concern, feel free to reach out to Dalinghaus Construction and we'll send somebody out. So what we're doing here to fix these particular cracks is we will be chasing them with a crack chasing tool, which is essentially a masonry bit that will grind down and smooth out the surface of the jaggedness of the crack. And as we go along, after we chase the crack, then we will come back and we'll do slits into the concrete where we will, after we blow it out, make sure all surfaces are prepped and clean. We will apply epoxy resin, placing it within the crack to mend the brick.